In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another email account to your Gmail. This is going to come in handy if you have multiple email accounts that you'd like to manage all from one place. Please make sure you have the login credentials for both your primary and additional email accounts ready, as you'll need them in this process. First, let's open up your Gmail account by navigating to your web browser and typing in mail.google.com. Sign in with your existing credentials if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, take a moment to get oriented. In the top right corner of your Gmail interface, you will notice an icon that looks like a gear. This is the Settings menu button. Click on this gear icon, which opens a drop-down menu. Here, select See All Settings. This will open a new page full of customizable options for your Gmail account. Now, look for the Accounts and Import tab located at the top of this page. Click on it. On the Accounts and Import page, you will find a section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts. Go ahead and click on Add a Mail Account. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter the email address of the account you'd like to add. Type in the address and click Next. Now you'll see a couple of options. You'll want to select the first one, which says Import Emails from My Other Account, POP3. After choosing this, click Next. You'll then need to enter your username and password for the email account you're adding. Please remember not to save passwords in any document you might share or lose. Following this, you'll see some settings related to your email provider. Most of these will be automatically filled in for you. However, ensure that the Leave a copy of retrieved message on the server checkbox is selected. This means that messages retrieved in Gmail will still be available in your original account. Also, you might want to choose Label Incoming Messages to help you identify emails coming from this account. Once done, click Add Account. If everything is set up correctly, Gmail will confirm that your account has been added. It might prompt you with an option to allow sending emails from this new account using the Gmail interface. If this is something you want, which is likely, proceed to set that up by selecting Yes and clicking Next. Now, Gmail may require you to send a verification email to the new account you just added. You'll need to switch over to that email, open the message from Gmail, and either confirm by clicking a link or entering a code provided back in the Gmail setup window. And that's it. You've now successfully added another email account to your Gmail, seamlessly allowing you to manage multiple accounts in one place. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for joining me today.